Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use the Thesaurus feature in your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. For example, if you'd like to find synonyms for a word or expression in your document. So if you're curious, make sure you drop a like and now let us get started. So guys, it is actually very simple. Simply highlight the word you would like to find synonyms for. Like, for example, let me go with that word here, test. Highlight it just like that. And after that, what you want to do is head over to the Review tab here at the top, and below simply head over to the proofing section here and enable the Thesaurus feature. Just like that. You may also use the shortcut Shift F7 on your keyboard if you like, and that is going to open the Thesaurus feature here on the right panel. So below you will see a list of all associated synonyms to that word here in the search box. You may also enter any other word here in that search box if you like, and yeah, simply use the words listed below, just like that. Like, for example, I don't know, examination and so on and so forth. You may also click on the given word to find even more synonyms. And once it's done, simply copy the given word or simply enter it here, replace it, and that's basically it. That's how you use the Thesaurus feature or as a dictionary here in your Microsoft Word document. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.